Forever FPS drops, stuttering, or lag during gameplay. Step 1, restart your PC, close all running applications, restart your computer completely, launch Forever after rebooting. Step 2, lower in-game graphics settings, set graphics preset to medium or low, disable shadows, reflections, and motion blur, lower screen resolution for better FPS. Step 3, update graphics drivers, open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software, install the newest GPU driver update, restart your PC after updating. Step 4, enable game mode in Windows. Open Windows Settings, search for game mode, turn game mode on for performance boost. Step 5, close background programs, end unnecessary apps from Task Manager. Disable overlays like Discord and Xbox Game Bar, stop browser downloads or streaming apps. Step 6, change power settings. Open Control Panel, Power Options. Select High Performance Mode. Plug in your charger if using a laptop. Step 7, verify game files. Open your game launcher. Use Verify Integrity of Game Files. Repair corrupted or missing files. Free up storage space. Delete temporary files from Windows. Keep at least 15 to 20 gigabytes free storage. Remove unused applications and games. Step 9, disable full screen optimizations. Right-click Forever exe file, open Properties, Compatibility. Check Disable full screen optimizations. Step 10, reinstall the game. Uninstall Forever completely. Delete leftover cache config files. Install a fresh updated version again.